If you are looking for the best 5-dog ball thrower, then this video is for you. Now let me show you the best 5-dog ball thrower. Number 1. Sport Launcher Dog Ball Thrower by Chuckit. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 2. Chuckit Revolt Launcher by Canine Hardware. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 3. IDOGMATE Big Dog Ball Launcher Automatic Ball Thrower for Dogs by IDOGMATE. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 4. All for Paws Interactive Automatic Dog Ball Launcher Hyperfetch Dog Tennis Ball Throwing Toy includes 3 tennis balls by F. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 5. Franklin Pet Supply Dog Fetch Toy Tennis Ball Launcher Play Fetch with your dog Ball Launcher by Franklin Pet Supply. Please check the description to buy the product. Thanks for watching. For more deals and updates, subscribe our channel.